Have you ever wondered what happens to your toys when you go to sleep?
Emma loves her beautiful toy castle, but tonight, something truly magical is about to happen. It is exactly midnight, the time when dreams and reality begin to blur.
Look! The small toy castle is starting to shake and glow with a warm golden light.
Oh my goodness! The castle is growing bigger and bigger right before my eyes! The toy castle grows as tall as the house, turning the bedroom into a grand courtyard.
What is that wonderful light, Emma? Is the toy castle actually giant now?
Wow! It is a real castle! Can we go inside and explore it, please?
Welcome, Princess Emma. We invite you and your royal family to enter our magical kingdom.
Let's go inside! This is going to be the most amazing English adventure ever!
The family steps inside the magical toy castle, ready to discover its secrets.
Welcome to the toy hall! Look around and tell me what toys you can see here. Look, there is a huge teddy bear. Let's spell it together. T-E-D-D-Y-B-E-A-R. And here is a fast toy train. It goes choo-choo around the tracks.
Excellent! And over there on the wooden shelf, we have a pretty doll.
I see a shiny red car. Toys are everywhere in this magical room.
Hello! I am Robbie the robot. Can you help me count my colorful ball collection?
Of course, Robbie. Let's count the balls together so we can open the next door. 1. We have one bright red ball right here. 2. Here is a blue ball to go with it.
3. We are doing a wonderful job counting these balls.
4. That makes 4 beautiful balls in total.
Fantastic! 4 balls! You have unlocked the magical door to the shape room.
This shape has 3 sides. It is a yellow triangle. This one has 4 equal sides. It is a blue square.
Look up at the window, children. It is a perfect red circle.
And this golden emblem is a star, just like the stars in the night sky. To find the key to the next tower, you must identify the rectangle.
I found it! The long green rug on the floor is a rectangle. Correct! You are very smart. Here is the silver key to the Tower of Numbers.
The family climbs up the winding stairs, surrounded by floating numbers that glow in the dark.
Oh, look! There are 5 keyholes on this door. How do we unlock it?
You must count us first. How many soldiers are standing here on the table?
Let's count them. 1 soldier with a gold helmet. 2. This soldier is holding a very shiny spear.
3. This one is standing very tall and straight.
4. He looks like a brave little guard.
5. There are exactly 5 brave soldiers on the table.
They step onto the high balcony and look out at a sky filled with magical floating toys.
Yes, and look over there. A purple airplane is flying through the clouds.
That is a very big blue balloon. It looks so peaceful floating up there.
Good evening, travelers. Can you name 3 things that can fly in the sky?
A kite, an airplane, and a balloon. They all fly high in the sky.
Excellent answer. You know your words very well. Please follow me to the Garden of Blocks.
This flower is so pretty. The petals are red and the stem is green. And this tree is green. The trunk is made of brown blocks.
The water in this pond is made of bright blue blocks. It looks so real. Hello, I am Barnaby. Can you help me build a taller tower with these blocks?
Sure, Barnaby. Let's start with this big red block at the bottom. I will put the blue block on top. Now it is getting taller.
Here is a bright yellow block for the middle section.
And the green block goes on top. We built a beautiful tower. Wow! That is a very tall and colorful tower. Thank you for your help.
The family continues their journey down a hallway filled with stars and moons.
The stars are so bright tonight. Let's count them as we walk. 1. There is the first bright star.
2. That star is glowing with a warm orange light.
4. This one is right next to the big crescent moon.
Amazing. 5 stars. A secret door opens into the Library of Stories.
This room is filled with giant books that tell stories of adventures and magic. Look at this book. The cover has a green dragon wearing a funny hat. And this book shows a pirate ship sailing on a wild blue ocean.
There are so many stories here. Learning English helps us read all of them.
Listen to that lovely music coming from the pages of this book. Greetings, young readers. Can you tell me what your favorite toy is?
My favorite toy is my beautiful castle because it brought us here tonight. My favorite toy is my fast train because it goes very fast.
Wonderful choices. Toys bring so much joy and help our imaginations grow.
Look at the window. The sky is starting to turn pink. Morning is coming soon.
Oh no, does that mean the magic is going to end soon?
Yes, sweetie. The castle must shrink back before the sun fully rises.
But we had a wonderful adventure and learned so many new English words today.
Goodbye, Big Teddy Bear. Thank you for showing us your beautiful home. Goodbye, Fast Train. keep chugging along until we meet again.
The family steps out of the castle and back into Emma's cozy bedroom.
As the first golden rays of the sun hit the window, the castle begins to shrink.
It gets smaller and smaller, turning back into the wooden toy we know.
Soon, it is just a normal toy castle sitting quietly on the bedroom rug.
It looks just like a normal toy now, but we know the truth. Look closely, Emma. Is there something still moving on the roof?
Oh, look! One miniature silver flag is still waving, all by itself.
The magic is still there. It is just waiting for the next midnight to arrive.
You did a wonderful job learning all those shapes, numbers, and toys today, Emma.
Yes.
We are very proud of you both. Learning English is so much fun with magic.
We can't wait for tonight. We will practice our English words every single day.
A brand new day begins, filled with wonderful memories of a magical night. Remember, learning is an adventure that can happen anywhere, even in a toy castle.
Thank you for exploring with me. Keep practicing your English and see you next midnight.
Goodbye, friends. Have a beautiful day filled with fun, shapes, and colorful toys.